English Podcast Spot. Learn English with podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Spot, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma, and today it's just me. I have a very important question for you. Have you ever watched an American movie or TV show and thought, they speak English, but it sounds like alien language? Or maybe you talked to a native speaker and they spoke so fast that you understood nothing. Your brain was like, what? What did they say? Don't worry. This happens to everyone, even me. When I was learning Spanish, people spoke so fast that I wanted to cry. But today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to understand fast native speakers. These are the secrets that nobody tells you. But wait, before we start, I have a small request. If this episode helps you, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to English Podcast Spot. It really helps me. Okay, let's start. First, I want to tell you why native speakers sound so fast. The truth is, they are not always speaking fast. Your brain thinks they are fast. Why? Because when you learned English, you learned words one by one. Cat, dog, house, tree. One by one. But native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words together. They make word music. For example, I don't say, I am going to eat. I say, I'm going to eat. It sounds like one long word. I'm going to eat. Or I don't say, what are you doing? I say, what you doing? It sounds like, what you doing? This is called connected speech, and it's the first secret to understanding fast native speakers. So tip number 1, learn how words connect together. Let me give you some examples. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Got to becomes gonna. Practice saying these connected words. Say them fast. I want to go. I'm going to eat. I got to work. When you know these connections, fast English becomes slow English. Now, tip number 2. Stop trying to understand every single word. I know. Your teacher told you listen to every word, but this is wrong for fast native speakers. Native speakers use many filler words. They say, like, I mean, well, so, actually. These words have no meaning. They're just noise. Don't listen to them. For example, a native speaker says, I was like, going to the store and I saw this guy and he was like really tall. The important words are, I was going to the store, I saw a guy, he was really tall. See, much easier. Focus on the important words. Ignore the filler words. Tip number 3, learn the rhythm of English. English is like music. It has a beat. Some words are loud and strong. Some words are quiet and weak. For example, I went to the store and bought some milk. The strong words are went, store, bought, milk. These words carry the meaning. The weak words are I, to, the, and some. These words connect the strong words. When you listen, focus on the strong words, the loud words. They tell you the story. Let me practice with you. Listen. I love watching movies on Saturday nights. What are the strong words? Love, movies, Saturday, nights. Now you understand the meaning. Tip number 4, use context clues. Context means the situation. Where are you? Who are you talking to? What is the topic? If you are in a restaurant, people will talk about food, drinks, and orders. You don't need to understand every word. If someone says, blah, 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 chicken, blah, 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 you know they want chicken. Easy. If you are at the airport, people talk about flights, gates, and luggage. Use this knowledge. Context is like a puzzle. You have some pieces. You can guess the missing pieces. Okay, everyone. We have learned 4 powerful tips today. Tip 1, learn connected speech. Want to becomes wanna. Tip 2, ignore filler words like like. Tip 3, focus on the strong, loud words. They carry the meaning. Tip 4, use context clues. Where are you? What's the topic? These 4 tips will already help you understand much better. Try them this week. But I have 4 more amazing tips in part 2. We will talk about training materials, shadowing technique, and much more. So make sure to watch part 2 for the complete plan to understand fast native speakers. Which tip will you try first? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching part 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in part 2. Keep practicing.
Now, tip number 5, train your ear with the right materials. Don't start with movies. Movies are too difficult. They use slang, jokes, and cultural references. Start with news. News speakers talk clearly. They use simple words. They repeat important information. Or listen to podcasts for English learners, like this one. We speak clearly and slowly. Then move to TV shows. Choose shows with simple topics. Cooking shows are great. Shopping shows are good. After that, try movies with subtitles, but not English subtitles. Use your native language subtitles first. This progression is very important. Easy to difficult, step by step. Tip number 6, use the shadowing technique. This is my favorite technique. Find a video or audio of native speakers, something not too fast. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat the sentence exactly. Copy their rhythm, their speed, their connections. For example, you hear, I'm going to go to the store. You repeat, I'm going to go to the store. Match the rhythm, match the speed, match the music of English. Do this every day for 10 minutes. Your ear will learn the patterns of English. After 1 month, you will understand much better, I promise. Tip number 7, don't panic when you don't understand. This is very important. When you panic, your brain stops working. You understand even less. Instead, stay calm. Smile, nod, wait for more information. Native speakers repeat important information. They will say it again in different words. Or you can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or, can you speak a bit slower, please? Most people are happy to help. Don't be shy. Tip number 8, practice with different accents. Not all native speakers sound the same. American English is different from British English. Southern American is different from New York English. Start with one accent, master it, then try different accents slowly. YouTube is perfect for this. Search for American accent practice or British accent listening. Listen to different people, men, women, young, old. Train your ear for variety. Now, let me give you some practical exercises you can do today. Exercise 1. Watch the same video 3 times. First time, just listen. Don't worry about understanding everything. Second time, focus on the strong words. Third time, try to catch the connections between words. Exercise 2. Listen to English music, but not rock music or rap. Choose slow, clear songs. Pop ballads are perfect. Try to understand the story of the song. Exercise 3. Change your phone settings to English. Listen to English GPS directions. Listen to English voice assistants. This trains your ear for everyday English. Exercise 4. Find English videos about your hobbies. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos. If you love sports, watch sports videos. When you know the topic, understanding becomes easier. Let me tell you a secret. I still don't understand every word when native speakers talk fast, and that's okay. Communication is not about understanding 100%. It's about understanding enough to know what's happening. If you understand 60 to 70% of fast English, you are doing great. Perfect understanding takes years. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. Today, I understood a joke, or I caught that idiom. Let's review all 8 tips quickly. From part 1, tip 1, learn connected speech. Tip 2, ignore filler words. Tip 3, focus on strong words. Tip 4, use context clues. From part 2, tip 5, train with right materials. Tip 6, use shadowing. Tip 7, stay calm. Tip 8, practice different accents. Remember, understanding fast native speakers is a skill, like playing piano or riding a bike. It takes practice. But with these tips, you will improve much faster. Start with 1 tip today. Practice for 1 week, then add another tip. I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, what's the hardest part about understanding fast English for you? Is it the connected speech, the filler words, the different accents? Let me know. And if this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who has the same problem. We all learn better together. Thank you so much for listening to both parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Podcast Spot. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, you are doing amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.